In this video, we'll create a box plot to compare the before and after reaction times. This will go in the visual analysis section. Here, you'll start by selecting the before and after columns, including the headers. And there are 200 data points here. Now, a trick here is to scroll up before inserting. That way, when you insert, the chart will show up in the window where you're at. You won't have to move it up. If you go to the Insert tab, then the statistical items are in this section, and you just select the box and whisker plot here. Now we can move it over here, and we can add a section title here. For this chart, you could either change the chart title or delete it. To delete it, if you select it and then just press delete, that'll remove it. Similarly, we don't need the footer, so you can left click on the footer and press delete to get rid of that. We will want a legend, so we'll want an indication at the bottom showing which of these box plots is which. So if we go to the chart design tab that shows up when you have the chart selected in Excel, and you go to add chart element, legend, add it at the bottom, and that just puts your subscripts there. We also, in this case, want to add a vertical axis title. That is also through the Add Chart Element menu of the Chart Design tab. Select the primary vertical axis title. And here, to change the title, we can just click inside it and then change that to whatever we'd like. And we can also then format it as usual using the Home tab. Let's say we want to just increase the size and make it bold. We could do that. Now, you will include a screenshot of this box plot in your write-up. And here you can read off the outlier data by hovering over it. So for example, if I hover over this blue dot at the bottom here, this is an outlier on the lower end of the before series. So that value is 0.309. The after series has two outliers, one above, one below. Now, your data may be different. You may or may not have outliers. If you do, you'll want to discuss that as part of your write-up. Um, in any case, once again, remember to include both a screenshot of this box plot and also to write up the information from the box plot in your write-up. You must have both in that case, and this goes in the visual analysis section.